Today I am sharing a recipe for vegetarian stir-fried Loh Shi Fun or rice pin noodle. It is simple to cook, delicious and suitable for a quick lunch or dinner for the family. Let's get started. Switch on the heat to medium, add 25 ml of cooking oil and 35 grams of minced garlic. Stir fry for 1.5 minutes or until the garlic turns golden brown and crispy. It's very fragrant and looks really good now. Remove it from the pan and set aside. Next, add 130 grams of cubed firm tofu into the hot oil. Stir fry for 10 to 15 seconds or until the tofu is coated with the garlic oil. Add 500 grams of Loh Shi Fun. Stir to mix. Add 150 ml of water. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Half teaspoon of black sesame oil. 1 tablespoon of thick soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of minced pickled radish, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and half tablespoon of sugar. Stir to mix all the ingredients and seasoning. Continue to cook for 3 minutes or until the noodles absorb all the gravy and become dry. Stir occasionally for even cooking. After 3 minutes, all the gravy has dried up and the noodle has expanded a little. It should be cooked by now. It looks so yummy. Add 20 grams of cut red chilli, 60 grams of cut spring onions, and 200 grams of bean sprouts. Give it a stir and continue cooking for 1.5 to 2 minutes or until the bean sprouts are soft and cooked. For crunchy bean sprout, it can be cooked for only 1 minute as the residual heat from the noodles softens them easily. Now I can give it a taste. Wow, this is good. More seasoning can be added if preferred, but for this, it's perfect and very delicious. Switch off the heat. Add in all crispy fried garlic for lovely fragrance. Stir to combine. Alright, it is done. Very simple to cook and it looks super yummy. I recommend serving immediately once it is cooked for better taste and texture. Dish it out onto the serving plate and serve. Let's eat! Oh wow, so good! The noodles are very soft and smooth. It's tasty and very flavorful. The freshly cooked crispy garlic enhances the fragrance and the crunchy vegetable complements it so well. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!